This is just the intro. Right now.
Right now.
Right now, this is the intro.
Rival. Da, da, da.
It's not rival. Alright, dude. What are we doing today? Jake got the radiator mounted. Gangster. Little cheat code. Mark III VR6 Volkswagen radiator. Little angle mount, same angle as factory. Got the spawn. We got the valve cover coated, downpipe built. Just a little simple guy. Jake tuned up, welded a V-band onto this fucking eBay turbo. Hell yeah. Getting ready to do intercooler mounting and intercooler piping today. That's
Who did this?
the previous owner.
That's what I'd say too.
No, seriously.
No,
I did those ones up there, see?
No, seriously.
I even used the fake AN lines with those on them.
Hell yeah.
Get some mounts mounted up, dude. The intercooler is mounted up in there.
You say okay.
And we're gonna lower the car down and make some intercooler piping. Tight. It's just gonna shoot up and go whoop whoop. Same with this side. They're gonna be one-piece shorties. You like one-piece shorties?
Shouty.
Sick water neck stuff up there. 16 AN. We got the Volvo power steering pump mounted right up in here. Good look at the rust. We'll fix that later.
Don't look at it.
I'm just gonna cut this pipe and see what she sees.
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
Cold side done. Coming together. Shaboing, shaboing.